Hello everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at some fun facts from the numbers from 0 to 9. So without further ado, let's get started. So a fun fact for 0 is that it is the first whole number. And the whole number set is from 0 and it keeps going on forever. Let me just draw that a bit nicer. Okay, so a fun fact for 1, it is obviously the first natural number. And you can gain consecutive numbers by adding 1 to a certain number, or anything multiplied by 1 is itself, and most things divided by 1 is itself. So let's move on to 2. So 2 is the only even prime and is the first prime. And the prime series goes on from 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. But most people think it goes on forever, but it's not proven. For 3, 3 is a triangular number. But because it can form a triangle with its points, and it's stable because it's a triangular number, and it's a number of dimensions we have in our day-to-day life, in our life. It's a number of dimensions we have. It's a number of dimensions we have. So we have depth, height. Depth, length, and width. Okay. So let's move on to 4. So 4 is the smallest squared prime. So 2 squared equals to 4, and then 2 is the smallest prime, as we discussed earlier. So 4 is the smallest squared prime. Let's move on to 5. 5 is the smallest sum of 2 consecutive primes. Preferably, 2 plus 3 equals to 5, which is the one that we're talking about, and it is the sum of 2 perfect squares. 1 squared plus 1 squared plus 2 squared. If you want to add 0 squared, that will work as well, because 0 squared is 0, so this is equal to 5. So also 5, if I draw it correctly, okay, so it is the hypotenuse of the smallest right triangle, or Pythagorean triple, which is 3, 4, and 5, because 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 2, 5 squared. So 9 plus 16 equals 25. So this is right. So let's move on to 6. So 6 is a perfect number. What that means is that the sum of its factors is twice the number. Like for the sum of factors of 6, so the factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 equals to 12. Or you can phrase it as the sum of the numbers excluding the number is equal to 6, which is 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6, and it's the smallest perfect number. Okay, let's move on to 7. So 7 is the number of sides of a polygon that cannot be drawn but with a straight edge or a compass. So it's either a heptagon, most people say, or a septagon. So this cannot be drawn with a straight edge and compass only. Okay, let's move on to 8. 8 is the largest cube in the Fibonacci series. So the series goes 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. So 8 is the largest largest cube in the Fibonacci series. Also, it is the smallest prime cubed, which is 2, and that's the smallest prime cube, which is 8. So the last one we're going to be doing is 9. 9 is the maximum number of cubes to sum up any number. Take, for example, let's just take 9. So 9, it's equal to 1 times 1 cubed plus 1 times 2 cubed. This time we only use 2, but if we do with 48, for example, it will be we'll have 2 cubed plus 1 times 2 cubed plus 1 times 3 cubed, and that's like 27 plus 8, and that's equal to 35. And 48 minus 35 is equal to 12. So we need another 2 cubed, and that will be 16 plus 27, and that is equal to 43. So add 5 times 1 cubed. This time we used 5 plus 1 plus 2. This time we used we used 8 of them because 2 plus 1 plus 5 is equals to 2 plus 1 plus 5 equals to 8. So we used 8 of these, but the maximum is 9. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. If you have more fun facts, leave them in the comments below. And any discussions or any worries or comments or concerns, please put them in the description. Please put them in the comment section below. I'll be posting some links on some of these facts. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on another